Good morning, chemistry students, brothers, sisters of chemistry students, parents, guardians, aunts, uncles of students, or anybody that may be watching this chemistry announcement. Today is Thursday, April 30th, and today we begin our second portion of our Unit 8 wrap-up, our Unit 8 review. Today we're going to be starting into 8-20, Test Premier Part 2, and this is the written part. On this packet, there are 35 questions. On this packet, you'll be demonstrating what you have learned in terms of writing equations, balancing equations, and understanding the various reactions that we talked about in Unit 8. To say that this is a very, very big assignment for our e-learning would be an understatement. Words cannot express the importance of your understanding and utilizing 8-20 Test Premier Part 2, the written part, as a valuable learning tool. What I would like you to do is to try your best on this. I would like you to make sure that as you're working through this, that you are grading it carefully by comparing it to the answer key. Your work should match the answer key. If it does not, the same as we've had for many of our other assignments, if your work does not match this, if for some reason you are not exactly matching what's on the answer key, there are help videos. On this particular assignment, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 help videos. Video number 80 goes with questions 1 through 5. Video 81 goes with questions 6 through 10. Video 82 is 11 through 14. Video 83 is 15 through 20. Video 84 is 21 through 33. And video 85 is the final 2 questions. So as you complete this Premier, check the key. If your work doesn't match the key, then you can consult the video. If the video doesn't explain what is going on, please email me questions. A few of you have done this. Please email me questions and we can create additional help videos. We can email back and forth so that you understand. Or better yet, we can even set up a meet and we can go over these things together. But I don't know what you need help on unless you fire up questions. You won't need to know what you need help on unless you check your work using the key. Now, how you wish to go about doing this 6-page review packet, how you wish to go about doing this is entirely up to you. If you want to do a page, check the answer key, watch the videos, and then advance to the next page, that's fine. If you want to do maybe 12, 13 questions on a given day, and then check the answer key and watch the videos a later day, that's fine. How you break this down is up to you, but please keep in mind that you have 3 days to work on this. You have today, Thursday the 30th. You have Friday. This assignment is not even due until Monday. Now, why would a teacher give you 3 days to do 35 questions? I'm telling you, it's so that you have time to watch the videos, to get help, to use this as a opportunity to learn what you know and to find out what you're still confused on. Good luck on this assignment. Please take your time. Please grade it carefully. Enjoy. Have a great 3 days.